Good morning, students. So today's class we can discuss about polygon. So a polygon can be defined as a closed curve which is made up of line segments. See, actually we are in the previous class we had discussed about closed curve and open curve, isn't it? See, this is this is closed curve and this is open curve, isn't it? But it doesn't made up of a line segment. It is just 10 curves, isn't it? It's just 10 curves. But polygon is a closed curve. Like this, it's a closed curve, but it is made up of a line segment. For example, see, this is a made up of a line segment, and even though it is a closed curve, it's closed, isn't it? In all the sides it's closed. Even though, see this example, a, B, C, D. It is also a closed curve and it is made up of a line segment. But see, here see, 1, 2, 3. It has a 3 line segment, but it is not a closed curve. So this is not a polygon. And here see one more example here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. 4 line segments are there. But it is not a polygon. Why? Because it's a open curve. It's not a closed curve. So it is not a polygon. So polygon is nothing but it is a closed curve which is made up of a line segment. Okay. But this is not a polygon because it is not made up of a line segment, isn't it? And keep concentrate. See, to call polygon. Polygon means many sides. Gon is nothing but many. Poly is nothing but poly is nothing but many. Gon is nothing but a sides. So polygons, many sides of the figure. The meaning of polygon. So at least to prepare, at least to define, at least to draw the polygon, we need minimum 3 line segment. So more than 3 also we can, but less than 3 we can't. For example, 2. By using 2 line segment we can't draw the line polygon. Even by using one line segment we can't draw the polygon. Minimum 3 lines must be there, and even though it is a closed figure, 3 line segment we have to use, minimum 3 to call polygons. Okay. And so there's different types of different parts of the polygon. So next we can discuss about parts of the polygon. See, sides of polygon. The line segments are known as the sides of the polygon. The line segments are known as the sides. See, this line segments AB, BC, CD and AD. So this is the sides of the polygon. So we can be right, if you would consider this example, we can be right AB line segment, like this we can be right AB, BC, CD, AD. Total how many sides are there? 4 line segments are there, isn't it? So this 4 line segments we can be call it as the sides of the polygon. And even though here AB, BC, AC, this is the sides of the polygon. Okay. And the adjacent sides, what is mean by adjacent side? Two sides having the same end, so two sides are having the same end point are called adjacent sides. Two sides, for example, see this AB and AD, two line segments are there. Both the line segments, both the sides are having common end point A, isn't it? For AD and for AB, in both the line segments are having common end point A. Both are having the common end point A. So these two sides are called adjacent sides. And AB, line segment AB and BC, line segment AB and BC. Here B is a common, see this, B is a common vertex. We can be call it as B is a common vertex. Okay, common side. So these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, even though these two sides are adjacent. So totally the adjacent side is nothing but both the sides are having the common end point. And the vertex, what is mean by vertex? Vertex is the meeting or intersecting point of a pair of sides, meeting and intersecting part of the pair of sides. See these two sides, see these two sides are meeting at a point, even though these two are adjacent sides, so these two adjacent sides are meet at a common point. See, so this common point is called the vertex. So here how many vertex are there? A, B, C, D. So here the vertex are A, B, C and D are the vertex. Together, if more than the one is there, means we call it as a vertices. We can be call it as a vertices. Single means we can be called vertex. So A, B, C, D. And here see A, B, C. A and B and C are the vertices of the triangle of this polygon, and these are the vertices of the this polygon A, B, C, D. Okay. So now diagonal. So what is mean by diagonal? So diagonal is obtained by joining any two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon. For example, I'll draw once again the figure A, B, C and D. See A, B, C, D. See here these two A, B and B, C are adjacent sides, isn't it? Similarly B, C and D, C are adjacent sides. Here these two are adjacent sides. Okay. Non-adjacent sides means see these two are non-adjacent sides. These two are non-adjacent sides, isn't it? So joining a non-adjacent sides AC or DB. So these two are called the diagonals. So AC and BD is a diagonals. But in three sides, in here we won't get the diagonals because there is no, we have to join the vertex, but here we won't get the vertex. This is one side, so here it doesn't have a diagonal. This if the polygons are having three sides, more than three sides means it has a diagonal. See, four side means it has a two diagonal. If there is a five sides, 1 2 3 4 5, L M N O P, if it has a five sides, one diagonal, 2 3 4 5. Okay, so keep it mind always five side diagonals are there, isn't it? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it has a, this is the diagonals of the polygon. Okay, so together we discussed about the polygon. Means polygon is a, it's a closed figure and it is made up of a line segments. Okay, and the part of the sides we can be call it as a side. So what is mean by side means the line segment of the polygons are called the sides, and these points are vertex or vertices, and these are all the diagonals and adjacent side. These terms, because the two sides which meet the end point of the two line segments are same common, then it is called the adjacent sides. Okay, so this is about the polygons. So the next is triangle. What is mean by triangle? What is mean by triangle? What is mean by this triangle? So triangle is nothing but tri. Tri is nothing but three. Tri is nothing but it is a three. For example, A, B, C. Triangle. So here we can be consider A, B, B, C, A, C are the line segment. Okay, and triangle. So angle means it has a three angles, 1 2 3. So it has a three angle, so this is called the triangle. And even though it has a three sides, so we can be write the angle like this. So here this is angle. If you want to denote this angle, we can be write BAC, angle BAC. And if you want to write this angle, it must be in middle, angle ACB. And even though if you want like this angle, angle ABC. Okay, or we can call it as CAB also we can write, or BCA also we can write, or CBA also we can be write. But which one we have to denote? See, this is the angle format vertex. Okay, this is two. If the two, what is mean by angle? In previous class we had discussed, if two rays are originate at a common point, then it is called the angle, isn't it? If two rays are originate at a common point, it is called the angle. So that common point, it must be in the middle. So here the common point is A, so it must be in middle. Here the common point is C, so it must be in middle. Here the common point is B, it must be in middle. But we can be write this as a CBA also we can be write, or else BCA also we can be write, or CAB also we can write. But we should not write this angle like ABC. For example, if you want to denote this angle, we should not write ABC. It's wrong. We should not write like this ABC. It is, we can be write BAC or CAB. There is only two options. Okay, this is called the triangle, and here the vertex of the triangle is A, B and C are the vertices of the triangle. These are all the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so the next is, so in triangle we can be called, this is we'll consider one point P. This is interior part of the triangle. Here I'll write here, this is the exterior of the triangle, this is interior of the triangle P, and this is the R is the exterior of the triangle. Okay, interior and exterior. Okay. So the next one is quadrilateral. Actually the polygon will start from, the types of polygon will start from triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, etc. Generally we are using triangle and quadrilateral in our syllabus. Okay. So next, quadrilateral. What is mean by quadrilateral? Already explained. So once again I will explain what is mean by quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is nothing but it has a quadra. Quadra means P Q R S. So quadra means four. Quadra means four. So lateral is nothing but it's a sides. Quadrilateral, it has a four sides. So see here, P Q, Q R, R S, P S are the four sides of the figure, isn't it? Four sides, and this four side is called the line segment. PQ, QR, RS, PS is a quadrilateral, and it's a line segment of this quadrilateral. These are all the four line segment, and P, Q, R and S. These are the four vertices of the quadrilateral. This is the four vertices, and these four are the line segment. And even though it has a four angles, see, it has a four angle P, we can be write like this also, angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S, or else we can be write like this also. If you want to denote this angle P, we can be write SPQ, and Q if you want to write PQR, QRS if you want to denote this angle, PSR, or else RSP also we can be right. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Quadra is nothing but four, lateral is nothing but sides or a line segment. Okay, and one more thing, see in triangle, see here in triangle it has a three sides, so automatically it will be having a three angles. Here quadrilateral, it has a four sides even though it has a four angles. So number of sides, it depends on the number of angles. Okay, so both are equal, number of sides are equal to number of angles of the polygon. Okay, and here adjacent side we can be say PQ is adjacent to QR and QR is adjacent to PS, because adjacent is nothing but if two line segments are meet at a common endpoint, two line segments are meet at a common endpoint, then it is called the adjacent. And even though non-adjacent, just now I said this is a line segment, it's a diagonals. Non-adjacent sides are a meet, or non-adjacent sides are joining, it's called the diagonals. Okay, the next is circles. The next is circles. So what does mean by circles? So what is mean by circles? So a circle can be defined as a closed figure. See, it's also look like a polygon. It is also a closed figure. See, it is also a closed figure. I don't have compass here, so by free hand I will draw, but you have to use a compass to draw the figure. Okay, so this is a closed figure. Okay, so and this is called the center of the circle. This is called the center of the circle. So circle is can be defined as it's a closed figure formed by a set of points in a plane which are located at the same distance from a fixed point. See, once again I will explain the definition. So circle is can be defined as a closed figure formed by a set of points in a plane which are located at the same distance from a fixed point which is the center. Okay, so it has an infinite number